Breakthrough research reveals enhanced microwave absorption in amorphous cobalt iron nanoparticles. Scientists synthesized Fe alloy particles ranging from 10 to 100 nanometers. These amorphous particles achieve remarkable reflection loss up to -42 decibels. With effective bandwidth reaching 6.25 gigahertz and ultra-thin matching thickness of just 1.85 millimeters, perfect for electromagnetic interference shielding in electronics and telecommunications. Visit metallurgicalengineering.org and nominate now your profile. Don't forget to subscribe for your videos.